Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A new article just came out saying new energy bill relief payments worth up to $1,000 to go out to struggling Americans in week. Can you claim? Millions of Americans will soon receive payments up to $1,000 to help them with high energy bills. Nuclear electric power generation company Entergy has announced a pledge to commit $3.2 million to help Mississippians pay for high gas prices. The company said aiding those with low to moderate incomes is the focus of the effort, although it will apply to all residential customers. Entergy Mississippi LLC provides electricity to approximately 456,000 customers in 45 Mississippi counties. More than half of the power Entergy Mississippi generates is from natural gas, which has more than doubled in cost over the last year. Because of this, customers have been dealing with massive bills. We not only want to alert our customers ahead of time when we see factors that can affect their bills. Entergy Mississippi's President and Chief Executive Officer Hallie Fizzackerly said, "We also want to give them the help and tools they need to prepare for those bills." So who can claim? A part of the $3.2 million commitment, Entergy Mississippi will take 4 measures. First, a $150 bill credit will apply to moderate income customers. Altogether, that's $1.1 million toward temporary bill payment assistance for Mississippians who struggle to pay their utility bills but do not qualify for federal assistance programs. Secondly, Entergy will provide up to $1,000 for disabled and older customers who need it. This $540,000 payment will provide emergency utility bill payments for 1 or several months to seniors and customers with disabilities. Additionally, the company is offering free $35 energy efficiency kits. Costing nearly $1.1 million, these kits will be deployed to customers at community events in Entergy's service area this fall. They also can be requested online and are available to all customers. The kits could save customers $5 per month or $60 yearly. Combined with Entergy's online tools, customers could save as much as $300 each year. Finally, Entergy is investing $460,000 in a customer education campaign. This intends to make Entergy customers more aware of additional energy efficiency and bill help applicable to them. This spans from assistance to low-income households on applying to federal bill assistance programs for their area, including the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program. Beyond the aid to customers, Entergy has been vocal about addressing the natural gas crisis. The company said it is taking steps to limit its use of natural gas, including investing in Grand Gulf nuclear stations, low-cost power, and incorporating more renewable energy into its generation portfolio. Several states have taken steps to mitigate the high cost of gas right now as well. In Ohio, for instance, residents can apply for aid through the Home Energy Assistance Summer Crisis Program, HEAP. Duke Energy has assisted nearly 1,100 Indiana households with energy bills worth around $260,000. Meanwhile, eligible California residents will get a $64.17 credit on their August and September electric bills automatically. While another article about direct payment worth up to $500 is available to Americans. To see if you qualify, the Virginia Department of Taxation will have a look-up tool available on Monday, September 19th. The Virginia General Assembly passed the law earlier this year, giving taxpayers with liability the one-time direct payment. So who is eligible? not every taxpayer is eligible. Virginians who had a tax liability last year will be able to receive the payment. Tax liability is the amount of tax you owe throughout the year, minus any credits, deductions, and subtractions. A person who filed as an individual will receive a rebate up to $250. If you file jointly, the rebate is worth up to $500. When will you see your money? The state of Virginia disclosed they could be issuing the rebates in the order that taxpayers filed their returns. The specific timeline is as follows. If you filed by July the 1st, your rebate check will be sent by October 17th, meaning it should be in your account by October 31st. In order to receive the rebate, you must file your taxes by November the 1st. It's important to note that the way you receive your rebate could differ based on how your tax refund was provided. If you received a refund by direct deposit, the rebate will likewise be deposited into the same account. You should look for the description. VADAP taxation tax rebate. All other taxpayers will receive their rebate by a paper check in the mail. This includes tax returns with no banking information, those who owned additional tax, closed bank accounts, and partial rebates due to taxpayer debts. What if you owe money? The state of Virginia said if you owe money to certain government agencies and institutions, the state is required to use your rebate to satisfy that debt before sending you the reminder in a check. If you owe more than the amount of your rebate, the state will send you a letter explaining the use of your rebate toward the debt. If someone is eligible for a $250 rebate and they have $100 in court fines and fees, for example, that are in debt set off, they will receive a check for $150, and the flyer will explain what they need to do to contact the set-off agency, explained Virginia Tax Commissioner Cry Burns. Besides Virginia, many other states are sending out checks to support residents through times of inflation. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you up in the next video. Goodbye.